Hello guys, today in this video I like to show you my recently created project Naindra farm, which I have created using the Laravel and Livewire framework. And in this project I have used the MySQL database. So this project is very helpful for those farmers who have the tea farm, and it helps to manage all the data which are related to tea. So in this video I'll show you the working demo of this project. So let's begin. Okay, first I'll open my VS Code. Here I'll start my new terminal and I'll just type here PHP artisan serve. Okay, restart my local server here. Okay, now this is my newly created project Naindra farm. Here I have to use my email and password that I have already created on my database. So I'll use this Naindra Raj Fago and the password here, this email and password, and I'll just click on the login. If I'll just write here wrong email and I'll try to log in here, then it shows the account does not exist, and I have the right email and I have just entered the wrong password, then it's just a incorrect password. Okay, now I have the correct email and the correct password. So when I click on the login, it just redirect me to the dashboard, admin dashboard, and it says welcome Naindra farm. Okay, this is my newly created project which is based on Laravel, and here this is the main dashboard. Here it showed me here it greet me, and here we can just gives us the list of menus. For example, if we want to go to the employee section where we want to create the employees account, and where we want to edit the details of employees, then we just need to click on here employees, then it will redirect me to the employees account management system. And again, if I want to manage my T records on the basis of the round system, then I just need to click here on the T records, then it will redirect me to the T record management system. In this way I have employees, T records, suppliers, and many more. And here we can see the data analytics of the T. I have the total here 5 employees, and I have the net profit here. It showed me the net profit, and it showed me the total income. It showed me the total expenditures, like an employee expenditures, chemical, fertilizers, and the total tea kg which I have collected or plucked from like my tea farm. And here it showed me the today's weather. Weather is very important for tea farm because spreading the chemical on the farm, or using the fertilizers for the tea, it's very important to look the weather. So here it show me the today date on the basis on Nepali system. For example, today date is 2080 Sawan 13 Shanibar, and if you want to see the full calendar, then I can see the full calendar by clicking here. It show me the calendar, and plus today date, it will highlight the today date. And I can change my profile. I can see my profile here, and I can change my password from here. And if I want to see my log, the activities, user login activity, then I just need to click here on activity section, where it show me the login activity. Like for now, 2 minutes ago I have logged in using the Macintosh, and in this way it will also show me the login time here. Here the list of login activities. And if you want to see the full date or horoscope, here we can see the horoscope details and the calendars. Here we can see the full calendar. And here we have also the exchange rate system for the currency. Okay, now I'll go to employee section. Here if you want to edit the employees detail, for example, I want to edit here, and I'll change the name to like this, Hamal. Okay, now I'll just save it. Okay, now it show me the successful message that you have successfully updated the employee account. Here the detail has been updated successfully. And If we want to create the new account for the employees, then we just need to type the Naindra. Okay, for now I'll just create my father name here, and I'll write Badar Kutu and phone number. Okay, save it. Now I have created the new account. Okay, now this is for the employees section, and now we have the T records section where we can manage the T records of every round. Based on round, I have created this system. Like in a 1 year, we have first round, second round, third round, fourth round. In that way, we can record the T. Like if you want to record today today record, I want to keep the record of today, then I just need to click on the date here, and the total T that I have collected today. For example, today I have collected 600 kg T, and the T rate is for example 20, and I have the water portion. If I have the water portion, then I just need to just click on the water portion. The list of I have here the list of water portion. For example, now I have like 3% water. Then I just click here the water. Then it will show me the total amount, and here it will show me the water deducted portion kg and the total T after deducting the water portion kg. So now if I have like 0% water, then I just click here on 0%, then it will show the water deducted portion kg 0 and the total T is 600, means the original kg will only show here in the total T kg, and here it show me the total amount. And here I have the clock time. Like for example, the clock time is whether it will be morning, afternoon or whole day, then I just need to mention here. For now I'll click here on the morning, and the remark is this is of 4th round 2023 T. Okay, now and if I need a calculator, then I can click here and I can get the calculator here. I have the watch calculator, which I think I have added this here so that many one can get help, many one can need calculator. So now I'll just save this record here. Okay, now here I have recently created a record list. Now for today, date is 28T01430 600 kg, T rate is 20 and water portion is 0%. In this way I have saved my T record detail here, and if I want to edit, then I can edit from here. Like for example, now I want to modify this detail and I want to keep the 4% water portion here, and I will save it. Okay, now the data has been modified here. On 4th round 2023, the water portion has been is increased to 4% from 0. Now if I want to view only the details, then I can click here and I just get the details of the T round. And if I want to delete this data, then I can delete here. I'll click here, then you have deleted the record successfully. It show me the message. Now I go to T supplier section. Here I have the 2 round T. I have not mentioned. T supplier section will have to specify the like supplier name to which we have distributed the T. So for example, I have here second round T, whole day T. It will just show me automatically the clock time of on the basis of round system. For example, now I'll go to first round, then it will show me the whole day. Okay, now I'll create one here. For example, 13 TKG, okay, this much, and its rate is 20, water portion 2%, and the clock time is afternoon. I'll mention afternoon, and the round is 4th round. Okay, now I'll save it. Now when I'll go to T supply, it show me the 4th round T. When I click here, it show me the clock time afternoon. That means it will help to specify the distributor, like whether I have sent to the different supplier in of afternoon or morning time. It will have to specify or here in this T supply management system. Now I'll just write here like some name here and the background number, for example here, and I'll just save it. Okay, now the 4th round T has been supplied to Harry. In this way we can mention the supplier name, and here we have the T bill, and here I'll just need to write the date, and if I have here, it will give me the list of employees name who have clocked the T, like how much kg like he or she have clocked collected the T. It has to manage from here. For example, if I don't have the name of the employee here, then I can create new employee from here, or from clicking on this bottom I can create a new employee. For now I'll create one like Sita Cordell. Okay, for example, now Sita Cordell. Okay, now I'll save it. Now when I click on the employee name, here I can get the Sita Cordell, the employee name, and I can mention the basic ways. The T-wheel is based on the weight system. For example, if Sita Cordell has collected the 40 kg of tea, then she will get the basic weight amount 400, and I can change it anytime. For example, for 40 kg I can mention like 450 rupees, and I'll just edit it, and here it show me the basic weight amount is 450 rupees for 40 kg of tea. Now I'll just select the date and the name of the employee, and I'll write here for example, she has collected 70 kg, then automatically it show me the total amount. Here the OT amount is 60 rupees and the total amount is 510 rupees. Now I'll say since, and I'll write here 100 kg, then it show me the 750 rupees. Now I'll just write here the basic amount, like for 40 kg I'll write here 40 kg, then it show me the basic wage amount 450 rupees. For now I'll write here like 78 kg. Okay, now the round is of 4th round. I'll save as a 4th round, and I'll save record here. I can delete the record also from here, like I can delete any record from here. It show me, are you sure you want to delete this T-bill record? Okay, now the T-bill record has been deleted successfully. Okay, now if I want to generate the employee's bill on the basis of the round system, then for example here I have created one bill on round 4, so it has shown me the round 4th round 2023 record. Now when I click here on the source, here it is, one bill has been created. Now if I want to print this bill, then I can print here by clicking on the print table, or by clicking on the print bottom. Here it shows me the total rupees 526 rupees only. It shows in Word also. Now if I want to like see the bill of like previous round, then for example first round bill I want to see, then I just need to click here on source bottom. Here it is, the bill of first round. It show me the bill of first round. Here it show the T bill of first round 2023. Now I can enter the chemical expenses here. For example, like what kind of chemical I have used, and I have like spent my money. I can mention here. For example, like there are many kind of chemicals that are used daily on the tea field that I can enter here. Okay, and here is the fertilizer expenses. For example, the fertilizers that we use on the monthly basis, like urea, that we can keep the record here in fertilizer expenses management system. Okay, now I'll go to the reports. Here in the report, here it show me the T-bill analytics and the report. By default it show me the showing the record of all time. By default it show the record of all time, and if you want to specify the like record on the basis of the round system, for example, here I have the 4th round 2023. If I want to see the 4th round 2023 record, then I just need to select the round, and I have to click here on the source bottom. Now it show me the 4th round data only. For example, the total kg 38 kg 78 kg was collected in the 4th round. Total wage amount was 440, total wage was 450, OT was 56, and the total amount was 526. In the same way I can see the previous record also by clicking here on the source detail. Here the total bill will show here. And if I want to see the specified employees detail, for example, here it show me the Sita. If I want to see the detail of Sita Cordell, like how much she has collected the tea till now, and how much she have like earned the money from by collecting the tea. If I want to see the details of each employee, then we just need to select the employee name and search. Here it shows the employees detail: Naindra Tea Farm, name Sita Cordell, address Bhadrapur, mobile number, date, and account created was recently 4 minutes ago. It showed me here. And Sita Cordell tea date, for now today date, it showed me here. the total amount she has earned from this farm, and the total kg she has like collected or plucked from the total tea she has plucked from the farm. In this all the record, and the total days she has attended here was 1 day. In the same way, we can see any customer, any employee's detail here. There is, for example, when I clicked on the Nitesh Hamal, it shows me the whole detail of Nitesh data, like how much day he has attended and how much he has earned from the farm. Everything we can see from here, and we can see the employees data on the basis of the plucked amount, like for example NC Fago 6100 kg, Nitesh 2314 kg. In the same way, you can see all the employees data here. And here we have the tea record, like in the 4th round how much we have earned from the tea, we can see here from here. Like when I click on the search button, it showed me we have collected 6958 kg, and the total amount we have earned from this was 1,39,160, and the clock time was afternoon. In the same way, we can see each round detail, each round tea detail from here. In the same way, we can see here in this way, and it convert the total kg into the quintal system, because here in all farmers use the quintal system for the tea. In this way we can manage all the data related to tea from this application. I hope this application will be useful for those who are like having a tea farm. Thank you for today. This was only.